month 1, 2.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori, and I'm back with another video. So it is finally Christmas Eve. Yes, it is late. I didn't start recording till now because all I've been doing all day was cleaning. I still have to mop the floors, so that's what I'm gonna do now. But I was cleaning the bathroom and like setting up the dining table earlier today, so I didn't have much time for the dining table. It's supposed to be pretty simple this year, like just blue and silver, and I still have to fix some stuff in here, but for the most part I just have to mop the floors now. I was just cleaning like the bathroom and stuff, but it's currently now like 4 p.m. I was supposed to go to the store, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to go anymore because it's getting cold. I think I'm gonna go tomorrow morning to see if I can make a charcuterie board. I think that's how it's pronounced. I don't know, child. But I'm about to sign into Hulu because I want to watch Bob's Burgers. The day before Christmas, I like to watch all the Christmas episodes. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I've been getting into anime. I don't know if I mentioned, I finally watched Death Note after what, 12 years of it being out. So I've been trying to see which what other one I should be watching, but let me go on. Okay, why is this not working? Okay. Let's see. Bob's Burgers. Let's start with season 1. Here we go. So there's gonna be some ads playing. Right now I'm gonna heat up the kettle because I'm gonna make some cup soup. So, oh, I still have enough water in there. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna mop the floors so that since no one's walking around, it's just me and my stepdad home. So I'm gonna do that. If you hear music in the background, my neighbors, they usually have their Christmas celebration on Christmas Eve, so you'll hear that. But yeah, let me go watch Bob Burgers in the meantime.
There's more than that. Oh, thanks, Bob. Hey, I got something special for you too. Special delivery. Were you not gonna give me this if I didn't tip you? No, I would have, just not today.
Maybe it's from Santa.
From the law firm of Bangkok, Botswick, and Beale.
Alright guys, I'm back. I changed into my pajamas. My brother's in the back. Hey. We got our PJs on. Come on, stand up so they can see it. Go up there. Yep. We're about to watch the Netflix movie Jingle Jangle, I think. It's like a bunch of black characters in it, so I'm like, perfect. We gotta watch that. And I made some tea earlier, so I'm gonna drink that. This vlog might get uploaded really late tonight. Or really early, but
maybe tomorrow, Christmas.
But I have to upload a vlog for tomorrow as well. But yeah, actually I might upload this one tomorrow because Christmas Day is one. I'm not gonna edit that on Christmas Day, so it's gonna go up the day after Christmas. And I have my little thing that I got from Primark on. You see it, RJ? My hat, my headband.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Hold on. All right.
very, very good.
The most magnificent shop that ever there was.
It's recording.
Hello. The reason why I haven't been in like videos so much is because I keep on leaving and stuff for like 2 or 3 days. So I just don't appear in so many videos, right? Like, it's kind of sad. I really want to be here every single day.
You hold it.
Oh, okay. But that's the reason why. It's kind of sad for me.
No,
But-
you got stuff to do. Or you're at school sometime.
I'm still here at school.
No, because you're not doing online school anymore.
Yeah, but when we go to, I'm here, but I just go to school. So I'm still here basically, but I just go to school and then I come back here. So I'm technically still here.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's the reason why. That's why I kind of like virtual school more. It's kind of like I can just stay here. So right now we're watching a movie. It's kind of a weird movie. Not good. I mean, like, it's not a weird movie, but it's a cool one.
It's called Jingle Jingle.
Thank you, Tori. Okay. So right now.
Be careful with the camera.
Okay, I will. Right now, you can see all the presents, and there's actually more presents near our little Christmas tree. The carpet is all blue. Like, everything is blue.
Here, let me turn it around so you can see what you're putting.
Yeah. So these are the presents.
Be careful.
We got some red ones. That's weird. We got mostly blues. Then we got some tans too. Some whites and greens. Then over here, we got the same colors. We got some yellow on the red.
If you're not watching the movie, let's see what
Christmas. So we got some blue outlines. Got some blue chairs. Got some. This is my favorite. This is my favorite part so far. So.
One for every child in the world.
That's it. Bye bye. Tori, how do you stop recording?
You press the red button.
Oh, I see.
Tell me you didn't. You're the worst apprentice ever. I mean, you're a really bad apprentice.
So you guys, it's currently 11:40. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog so that I can post it tomorrow on Christmas Day. And then I'll go ahead and continue to post on Christmas Day. I'm gonna do another vlog for Christmas. I'm just wrapping up this vlog. But yeah. It's gonna be Christmas by the time I upload this. So Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy holidays. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. And yeah, just
Happy Merry Christmas in 20 minutes.
right. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for the last day of Vlogmas. Or I will see you tomorrow for the last vlog of Vlogmas. I can't believe it's already here. I feel like I just started and now we're wrapping up, but it's 25 days, so it makes sense. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell to know when I post. RJ, I'm talking.
I have a question. Is tomorrow your final vlog?
Yeah, for Vlogmas.
So you're gonna just continue making videos or no?
Yeah, I'm just saying this is my last Christmas vlog tomorrow.
Oh.
So yeah, you guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you know whenever I post, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh wait. So you're after Christmas, you're gonna do New Year's videos?
I guess.
Okay.
We'll see.